Hi beauties, it's Piersanti again. I told you I'd be crafting today. So I'm just putting the videos up and I hope you're enjoying them. I'm having a fun day of stamping. And you guys, I belong to such a great group of stamping ladies. We stamp, Stamping Beauties. We make such a great team. So let me go ahead and tell you. I'm going to be using this new Daisy Lane. It's brand new for demonstrators. We got it at the Onstage convention so we can try it out and show you guys. You guys, make sure you put this on your wish list. Look at that. Look at the daisy. It comes with the same daisy in the daisy punch here. And then there was the other set that had the daisy. That is still carrying over. And then look at the little daisy. Ooh, you think there's a punch to go with that one too? You'll have to wait until the catalog comes in your hands to find out. So, all right, let me go ahead and get started. I want to use this stamp set because I'm going to do a little bit of out with the old, in with the new, just mixing the two together because this is the only month we can do that. May is the only month I can show you both the old stuff and the new stuff together. So we're going to be using some of this Whisper White dotted, what's it called actually? Polka dot tulle ribbon. Really pretty. Make sure you guys get some of this if you want it, because once it goes away, it goes away. Same with the Tranquil Tide. We're going to be using the Tranquil Tide here, and then I'm going to be using that as a base. Oh, what is this color, you guys? Somebody tell me this is the outgoing color, and for some reason I spaced it and can't remember the name of it. Anyways, the reason I was telling you about my great group is because each month we have a new sketch, and this is literally the sketch. I record on my phone so I can't look at the actual picture, so I quickly just sketched it out, and it's got like 3 kind of circles here and then something down here and a little something right there. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we can make with this sketch. I don't want to just do circle on circle on circle. I want to kind of use the daisies that form their own circle. And what we do is we do these sketches each month, all of us demonstrators, and we just participate and share what our ideas are. And some people, they think out of the box. And just all of the ideas are amazing. So there's already so many great ideas that we all share together on Facebook. So if you want to be a part of my Stamping Beauties, you'll also automatically be in our We Stamp group. So I would love to have you join us. So I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to put it down toward the end, stamping it in the Tranquil Tide, and then using the new Daisy Lane. Look at that. Woohoo! Is that the best stamp? Oh my goodness. I'm loving it. While I have that, I think I'm also going to take this little friend here, and I'm going to put it right along the bottom. Whoop. I touched it. I'm going to put it right along the bottom here. There we go. All right, I'm going to close this little guy back up. And then I'm going to take my Daisy Punch, which is in the current catalog. You guys, it will be in the new catalog as well. So I'm just going to circle that around until I get it exactly where I want it. If for some reason you cannot circle it around because you put it up too high or something like that, don't worry. You can always just cut off an edge. You can just, I'll show you here. You can just round this edge and be able to punch it out, no problem. So I wanted to use 3 of those, so I did do 3. I've done 2 already, and then the 1. And I'm going to take my tool, and I'm going to put it around here. Put in a nice little bow, and I'm going to put it over on this edge because that's where we had the little guy. I don't know what it's called. On the sketch, there was a little something that needed to be there. So I am just going to put it, I'm not going to put it in a bow. Why? Not because I don't like the bows or because I can't do the bows, because these tools make it very easy to do the bows, but because I really want those dots to show. So I'm just going to take that. I'm going to put as much as I can. There we go. So we've got that little guy there. Now I'm going to get my tape out, and we're going to tape this guy down. And I always, a little bit here, but then I also go over my tape. Once I get it in the position that I like, I put it over my tape as well, so everything is held kind of right in place. I'm just going to line those up. And again, my base is just a standard size, which is a 5.5 by 4 1/4. So it's a 11 by 4 1/4, and then and then scored at 5.5. So there we go. So far, I'm liking it. Now we're going to see where we want these guys. And it kind of, let me look at my sketch, which one goes where. So it kind of looks like that would go there. This one would kind of go there. And then this one would kind of go there. All right? That's a good little sketch. And I'm going to definitely put some pop dots on here. Some dimensionals to get those going. We're going to set this off to the side for just a moment while I grab my trimmer out. Speaking of out with the old, this one is going to be on its way out, unfortunately. So make sure if you want it, grab it. I'm just going to go right through here. And trim that out. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to cut these at a bit of an angle. And I want the same exact angle to be on this side as well. So I'm going to just take that and follow it, and you get that same angle. So now we've got this little guy, and let's go ahead and start putting our stuff together. If you do see anything that you want to order, if you're going to order before the 15th, here's the host code that you may want to use. And then let's go ahead and get these little guys. And we will put 2. How about that? We're going to stack this one really high. So what you do is you take one, you stick it on there, take the backing out, and then stick another one. Now, these are not going to go through the mail. It's just not going to happen. You'd have to pay a lot extra, which is fine if you want it to go through the mail. And then for this one, I'm going to put Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. Mosquitoes love me, and I don't, it's like so many mosquitoes around here. And then this one, I think we will do a flat. How about that? So we're not going to put anything on there. We're just going to get out our Tombow. And we'll put that one. So let's go ahead and see how we want to do this. And I'm pretty sure I love this. So you can fit things around there however you'd like. We're just going to arrange these. And I'm going to check and see if I might want it a different way, because that one is cute too. We're just moving things around. And I'm going to have this going off the side just a little bit there. You can do whatever you like on your own. The sketch is merely to give you a bit of an idea. Okay, I think I got it. I think I like the larger one down here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that Tombow, and I am going to put a little bit on, just dot, dot, not a lot. There we go. And then I'm going to put this guy right there, and again I want him to kind of be over the edge. And then I do think that I like this one down here with the double really high there. And then this little guy. See, it takes a lot longer when I use my fingers. I should be using my tool there. Then I'm going to fit everything kind of in the middle of these leaves here, and there we go. Now we've got our friend here, and I think we'll just stick this right down here or above. Let me see. If I do the above, then I want this to be definitely lower. I think we're going to go right down here. Oh, super cute. Yeah, that's what we'll do. And I'm not going to raise it or anything like that. I'll just use my snail adhesive on this one. Oh, I'm having a hard time here. Just lining that up. There we go. So I think it's rather cute. I like the two colors. I'm sad to see them go, but it looks like I'm looking around. What does that mean? It means that I want a little something else. What do I want? I'm going to look around here, see if there's anything that catches my eye. Oh, you know what I have not used, and they are going to retire? Let me look. I haven't used this guy yet. These are the little floral romance seals. I'm going to Do I want to open this and use it? Or do I want to add it to my giveaway? Well, sheesh. Let me see. It would be right on here. Would I like it on there? I do like it, but I'm not necessarily sure I like the color. I don't like the gold with that. Okay, that means, you guys, guess what? If you've been paying attention to my videos, you'll know that I'm randomly sticking things in my little box of goodies here. And anybody who ordered from me is going to get a special surprise because I'm going to draw somebody randomly and send this basket of goodies to them. So now I'm stuck. I need to still find something that I want to put in. So what am I going to do? I could use these little florals, but I don't want those, I don't think, either. What are the colors? Colors aren't on here. Okay, that's all right. I didn't want that anyways. I think we're going to go with the old standbys. We're going to do either some gems or some pearls. Okay. Bling, right? I can hear you. I heard you. And I'm just going to put one right there. I'll put another one right up here. And there. How cute. Would you like to receive that card? All right, that is my card, just using the sketch here. That's it. That kind of matches up with that sketch, don't you think? Let me know what you think. What would you do? I'd love to see what you guys would choose to do. So again, it is a day of paper crafting, and so I will be making cards all day, different kinds. I've got this one out of the way. I'll take a picture and post it to our Facebook group. Again, if you guys want to purchase anything, you can go to my online store. Use this code if you are spending less than $150. I also put the link down below for my Everything is Rosy exclusive call-in class, which will be live on May 30th at 6 p.m. That has a different code, so I'll leave that so you can snapshot that. But I also have it in the description down below if you want to get in on that. All right, beauties, you guys have a wonderful day. Please give me a thumbs up, especially if you like this. Tell me your thoughts on the outgoing colors and what you think of the new Daisy Lane stamp set. Let me know if you're putting it on your wish list. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.